see if he can pull off some weakness. Derek Schnell of Sturgis, South Dakota. His first year running competitively here at Monster Truck Nationals as a racer. Bumps those cars over there on Lucas Oil Lane. Wheelie time! Out there, up in the air. Now we come to the E3 Spark Plug. See if they can do. 572 cubic inches gives the cars a little nudge and gets set to put those front tires in at 10,250 pounds of work. Time from Chalkboard to go skyward. 2 years of racing. Her first year, her rookie season, the National Championship. Here she comes. Michelle Simpson behind the wheel. Lines it up. All right, judges, get ready. A good look from Chalkboard Chuck. As Michelle pulls the trigger. Pulled the herd behind the wheel. The Monster Nationals Racing Champion from 2010 and 2011. Gives you a good look at the truck. He winds up there. He comes to Rick Morrow. Reaching for the sky for the 10,250 pound heavy. Rick Morrow, Blake, hear that power. 572 cubic inch engine. And get that power from that Odyssey battery. Here he comes. Right behind those Firestone tires. Let's see what those cars. Rick. Here she comes, Michelle Simpson. That's a little impossible. That's kind of neat. Oh my goodness, Power Racing engines right here in Columbus, Ohio. Look for you, Chevrolet fans. The Lucas Oil Stabilizer. Take a look at the bed of that truck and you can see the handiwork of Mr. Power, who makes his living in the big high horsepower engine. One of the Boston Nationals here. Oh, come on now. These guys got one more pass on it. Let's see what the old stabilizer can do here.
United States. After months of careful restoration, he put them on tour so that everyone could see these gigantic mechanical marvels. To demonstrate their awesome power without endangering anyone, he decided to have them eat and destroy junk cars. So now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brace yourself for Transformers.
giving you a good look at the world's only jet-powered fire transmitting dinosaur of destruction. That's not a bad little note up there for a kid that's only 7 years of age. Now, Jake has a cat named Shadow, another one named Sam. He's got from the Turtles. Let's see what he can do here as he comes out to freestyle. And winning or racing earlier tonight, it's Jake and Sir Crusher. Getting a look at the rear steer. Really, Jake, are you sure you're ready for this? Taking the ramp. 2-speed powered line transmission, fuel injected engine. So really, he's got an awful lot at his little bitty foot. You're clear for takeoff, Jake. Here comes Sir Crush. Please put your hands together for Sir Crusher and Jake. He also likes to do other things that girls over teenagers like dance. Watching the truck. And pops the Demolition Diva right through. Not backing out of it. Turning the donuts there. Now her truck, again, just like the rest of them, but she's got a 2.2-liter, 200 horsepower Chevrolet engine and a 3-speed torque-light transmission. The Demolition Diva signs up the ramps. Again, wearing a Hunter's device, a 5-layer SFI parachute, the 5-point safety harness. She gets ready. She puts a foot in the corner. Over the 8th race mark, one crush car lay. Ladies and gentlemen, the Demolition Diva. You'll be able to get her autograph immediately following our Monster Truck racing here at Freestyle here tonight. All of our Monster Truck drivers, including the Little Mighty Monsters, will be up on the concourse with an absolutely free Monster autograph session. She is ready to crush again. She flies and brings it down on these third set of cars there. The Demolition Diva. Young 14-year-old Cassie Blackjack. Excellent. That's where paying attention early morning. Give her a wave as she comes by. That young lady one day will be stepping up to a big monster truck. Monster truck driver out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. He saw his first monster truck show, and since that time he's gone from go-karts all the way up to this half-scale monster truck. He has really come a long way from making the time. As he gets set to launch.